birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Let's cut the cake. Which cake you want to cut first? This or this?
This.
This? Okay. Let's cut this first.
Happy birthday to you.
वो देखो मम्मी का उम्र में क्या आ गया? ये मेरा है।
वीडियो बन रहा है। खिलाओ सब।
एक मिनट मैं खिलाऊं।
रुको बेटा इसी से तोड़ के खिलाओ, इसी से तोड़ के खिलाओ। खिलाओ खिलाओ सारा। अच्छा तुम खाओ।
को खिलाऊंगी।
इधर से खिलाओ खिलाओ। कार केक ये।
मैं कार खा लूंगा।
तुम कार खा लोगे बेटा? क्यों?
सारा you will eat this car.
लेकिन कार तो ड्राई हो जाता है।
रुको सारी।
क्यों?
चलो खिलाओ सारा।
मैं नहीं खाऊंगी। खाने दो ना।
बस अच्छा।
मैं नहीं खाऊंगी।
साके।
Sarah, ये लो।
This is your gift.
And we are unboxing the cake.
Do you like this gift?
What is this? Do you know?
ईद के अंदर
अरे वाह!
कुछ है, दिखाओ तो खोलकर।
Sarah, open this.
अरे
What is this?
No. I think other thing is this.
What is this?
Sarah, are you enjoying? What is this, beta? Is it 10th house? Do you like it?
Yes.
Say yes. Say hello.
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 You like this gift?
Yes.
Wow.
This is tent house.
बेटा
10th house.
बर्थडे बॉय हो तुम? देखो सानवी हेल्प कर रही तुम्हारा कैप पहनाने में।
अरे मुझे अब कैप नहीं पहनना है।
नहीं पहनना आप कैप? ओके देखो लुक दिस इज द 10th house of
Sarah and Sanvi.
10th house.
Oh, where is Sanvi, Sarah?
Where is Sanvi, Sarah?
Where is Sanvi, Sarah? Let's just find out. Wow. Look
देख
there inside the tent house.
ओहो। हाँ?
What are you doing, Sarah?
What are you doing?
I'm 10th house playing.
Okay, and Sanvi, what are you doing, beta?
I'm playing in the 10th house. Bolo, I'm
Are you-
playing in the 10th house.
Are you enjoying? Are you enjoying
Sanvi, Sarah, are you enjoying?
Yes.
in your 10th house?
Yes.
Which animal is there? Tell me. What is this?
This is elephant.
Okay, and this one is?
Lion. This is lion
and this is?
लेकिन ये तू करा था. This is lion and it is the king of the jungle.
Wow, and this one is?
Zebra. And
Zebra.
Where is the peacock? So, where is the peacock?
Where is the peacock?
Oh.
Wait.
Wow,
He has black and white stripes on on his body.
Okay.
This is one. This
What
is
is
a
this?
peacock. What is this? This is giraffe and it has tall neck.
Okay.
Yeah.
And?
This is camel. Camel, horses and donkey always carry load for us.
Okay. And?
I think
is a tortoise, and tortoise walk
And
slowly.
Sanvi, tell me what is this?
पता नहीं मुझे, आप बताइए.
Sanvi, tell.
ये क्या है? I cannot tell.
This one is dinosaur.
Dinosaur.
And this is
Dinosaur. लेकिन फोटो. लेकिन एक दिन मोटू पतलू पूरा डायनासोर का दांत में फंस गया था.
हाँ?
This is a snake. अरे मुझे भी तो बोलने दो. This is a snake. And he
Oh, and you are doing this? Wow, you are having a zoo tent house, and you are playing inside the zoo with all the animals. Sanvi Saurav.
This is tiger.
Look here, Sanvi Saurav.
And it is tiger. It is the national animal. It is peacock. It is the national bird. This is dinosaur.
and what is this? This one is
Dinosaur are extinct
Okay, dinosaur.
animals.
Okay.
Parrot fly in the air. We also keep parrot in our house.
Okay.
and this one is
This one is eagle. And eagle flies high and very high in the air.
Sanvi Saurav know all the animal and their property. Oh my God.
Are you enjoying? And where?
And elephant baby also called a calf.
And where is the monkey here? Look. Where is the monkey?
This is the monkey.
And this
There
one
are
is.
so many animals in your tent house. Oh my God.
Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Okay.
Sanvi, do you want to say something?
Yes, I want to say something. Thank you, mom and dad, for this lovely. मेरा कपड़ा गंदा हो रहा है. And don't sleep in the tent. This is the allowed.
Start.
If you like our video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and like also.
And bye bye. See you.
Bye. See you in the next video. We are doing animals in the tent again and again.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye.